Welcome to our guide on restarting your career with digital marketing. This journey can open new doors and enhance your skill set. First, identify your interests. Explore various aspects of digital marketing, including SEO, content creation, and social media management. Next, take online courses to build your foundational knowledge. Platforms like Uprisers offer excellent resources. Consider obtaining certifications. Uprisers certifications are valuable assets for your resume, as it involves both theoretical and practical learning. Practice by creating your own projects. Start a blog or manage social media accounts to implement what you've learned. Network with professionals in the industry. Join online groups, attend webinars, and engage with others on platforms like LinkedIn. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your projects, skills, and achievements. This will make you stand out to potential employers. Finally, apply for entry-level positions or internships. Every experience brings you closer to your digital marketing goals.